Hey everybody, it's JT Smith here, and today we're talking about coming soon landing pages. These are used usually for products or services in pre-launch mode. For me, I'm going to do a Slack group that I made, and it's going to be a free Slack group, but I want to generate a bunch of interest so that people will jump into it. But what I am trying to do is show you how to make a coming soon landing page using Mailerlite. Now, if at any point you want to try out Mailerlite, then use the link in the description. It's an affiliate link and it will help me out if you use that. I'm just going to jump right in to show you how to do it. Mailerlite is a free email marketing platform up to 1,000 subscribers. And they also have landing page building capabilities. So we're going to name this one Ad Pros HQ, coming soon. Hopefully this video is pretty short and quick. I think if we use a template that they have pre-built, it should go pretty quickly. You can do some design work on your own, but I don't see any reason you shouldn't use these free templates, or at least start with the template and see what kind of tweaks you need to make from there. So we're jumping right into the Mailerlite landing page editor. First of all, you'll notice on the landing page it has a headline. So we're going to make our headline Ad Pros HQ, or a Slack group for ad pros, ad professionals. To set up the countdown, you just got to put in the date. So we have a year, and let's pretend we're doing this in about a week. So right now is May 13th. So we're going to do May 20th. And it says 6 days, 18 hours, 5 minutes, 52 seconds. So it's a countdown clock that looks pretty effective here. And I think you can change different design elements of this clock if you want, but I'm happy with what they have here right now. And then let's edit this section here and say, stay up to date on new ad tactics, trends, and competition. Join the Slack group as soon as we launch. Join the Slack group the moment we launch. Okay. And then button text is notify me, or we could say get earliest access. You always want your call to action to be something that's a little unique so it catches the eye, but also clearly expresses what the person is going to be doing by putting in their email. You can change design elements, or you can add things like reCAPTCHA form, or let's say you have a segmented list. Like if I want to say Facebook advertisers versus Google advertisers versus Taboola advertisers, then I could do that and they would self-segment themselves into one of those groups. For now, let's edit this image with a screenshot of the, okay, to edit the screenshot, you got to delete it, and then you got to browse, and then you got to upload an image. So we're going to upload a screenshot that we just took of our Slack group. Probably should have taken it in dark mode in hindsight, but this will work for now. The beauty of using Mailerlite is you don't have to do any connection. It's automatically going to take the email if someone puts it in and put it into your Mailerlite list that you have. So you can also redirect someone. So like if this page is to an affiliate offer or something, I'm not sure how friendly Mailerlite is to that, but you could theoretically redirect them to something. So I might redirect them, instead of having just a success text or something, I might redirect them to my YouTube channel. Once you press the save button on a section, so like if you go here, you press the save button, it'll open back up all these options that you need. So that's where you can find the background option. Or you could add more like HTML code for tracking or something. You can add a quiz, you can add a survey, all these different features that would be extremely useful if you were building the page from scratch. For us, we don't need that necessarily. I could add a video, but for now we're just going to go settings, and then we're going to go and find our background. Here's our background. You could, for instance, remove the background if you want, and just do like a color. So if you want a gray, or that's a little light for gray, but you could go in here and make it darker gray if you wanted to. I think we're going to stick with the image. So luckily you can just do Control-Z if you're using Windows, and probably whatever the back undo key is if you're using Mac, or you could go up here and select what you changed. And so, yep, put that back. And so that's our landing page. I think we're done. So by default, you can use subscribepage.com/, Let's do ad pros coming soon. Or just, yeah, ad pros. Let's just stick with ad pros. Here's where you can change your SEO titles. I'm not sure how well these pages rank, but anything that's exposed to search engines like this can be ranked. So if you wanted to build quick landing pages for like a local company and see if there's a chance of it getting ranked, you could do that here as well. For anybody who's doing advertising and any sort of tracking for your marketing, you'll probably want to put a Facebook pixel code and a Google Analytics code in here. And you could inject code into the header that would be good tracking code or something. So if you're doing native ads and you want to track the conversions, you could do that here as well. So all very useful. Hopefully this makes sense. So that's how you create that landing page. If you want to create a split test, which you probably should if you're using this for any sort of advertising purposes, you'll want to do a split test, and you can change a color, you can change text, you can change whatever you need. And then here's the analytics section, which shows you how many subscribers you're getting, how many visitors visited the page, and then gives you a daily breakdown of those stats. So all very useful, very smooth way to create landing pages for free, and it automatically integrates into your mailing campaign, so you don't have to worry about all the complicated factors of trying to link, like if you made a page in WordPress. If you learned something in this video, please leave a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and I will see you next video.